Hi, today I'm with Mi Nothing Phone 2 and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So open first the settings app, tap to the sounds and vibration. You will see here ringtone notification button panel and the mute notifications ringtone we should hold and slide to the left side ring button panel. These dots are ring button panel with your finger, and that's it. So also you could make it just by another way. Just press up or down volume button, tap to the scroll, and here you will see the ringtone volume panel. Just slide it to the down to mute the ringtone volume. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.